Well, hello and welcome to Teaching the Scriptures from Moody Bible Distance Learning. This is your fearless leader, Professor Jefferson Williams, coming to you from the remote location of First Baptist Church, Chenoa, where I am the senior pastor. And it's a little church about 10 miles south of Pontiac, which is a little town in which I live in the middle of Illinois, in the middle of the corn. So welcome. This is the expectations video for Teaching the Scriptures. And I just want to take a minute to begin before class starts tomorrow, so I just wanted to take a minute to tell you some of my expectations for this class. The first expectation that I have is that you would keep first things first. And that means, well, let me just say this. In 20 years, you will not remember what you made in this class. I promise. You won't remember what you made in most of the classes. So don't worry so much about the grade as about learning what the principles are, and specifically how instead of worrying about being a better pastor or missionary or teacher, I would much rather you be a better parent, spouse, neighbor, lover of Jesus. And that's the first thing, right? And I want you to keep your walk with Jesus in priority. That's your priority. Not these classes, but your walk with Jesus. So don't skimp on your devotions or your quiet time or whatever you do to walk with Jesus. Don't skip on that in order to do work, because I did that a lot in seminary, and I want to encourage you not to do it because it's bad for your soul. This is a really cool class. You're gonna actually at the end teach a Bible study, and you're gonna put it together, and I'm gonna help you, and we're just gonna learn some principles about how to do that. So another expectation that I have is that you would do the discussion boards on time. The reason I say that is I just posted grades for my last classes, and I had some issues with that. Moody policy is that if you post after midnight on Friday night, it's a 0. So it's really actually a pretty easy 20 points if you post and then you respond to 2 people. So make sure that you're doing that. And then my other expectation is every professor has a pet peeve, right? And if you've been in any of my classes, you know my pet peeve. My pet peeve is writing. You are in college. I expect you to write like college students, which means no errors, no spelling errors, no grammar errors. Back in the day, I didn't have spell check. I mean, there's little squiggly lines underneath misspelled words. So, in Grammarly and the different things, make sure to proofread, make sure it's in MLA formatting. Just do college level writing and you'll be fine. If you have issues in that area, please let me know. I will help you. I've done some editing, so I'm pretty good at that. And so I can help you with writing. So, okay. The expectations are that you would love Jesus first, that you would post on time, and that you would proofread. That's it. That's my expectations for you guys. And for you guys to learn, for us to learn together. This is going to be fun. It really is, I promise. So that is it for today. I'll post the video for tomorrow, kind of going over the first week. So, onward and upwards.